Welcome. Today we're exploring the major challenges that make computer network security one of the toughest fields. Securing a modern computer system is an extremely difficult and continuous battle between defenders and attackers. The first major challenge is the rapid increase and evolution of attacks. Hackers develop new attack methods every day. As soon as one threat is solved, another appears. It's a constant game of cat and mouse. Just like flu viruses keep changing, security threats evolve faster than defenses, making protection extremely challenging. The complexity of modern systems presents the next major challenge. Modern networks include thousands of devices, from laptops to cloud servers. Every device creates a potential entry point for attackers. Protecting a small hut is simple. Protecting a huge castle with hundreds of doors and hidden tunnels is much harder. Large systems are the same. Next, let's talk about the weakest link in any security system: human errors. No matter how advanced the system is, one careless human action, like falling for a phishing email, can break all security. Social engineering attacks prey on human weakness. Even a powerful lock is useless if you hide the key under the doormat. Human errors open the door for attackers, making strong security ineffective. Another significant challenge comes from software bugs and vulnerabilities. Mistakes in software programs create vulnerabilities. Hackers actively search for these cracks to break into a system before developers can fix them. Just like a snake can enter through a small crack in a wall, hackers exploit tiny errors in software to gain unauthorized access. There is a perpetual trade-off between security and user convenience. Strong security is often harder and slower for users, requiring multiple steps. Conversely, easy systems are typically less secure. Living in a house with 10 locks is safe, but frustrating. Users often avoid security measures if they become too inconvenient. Our final two challenges are insider threats and the cost of security. Sometimes the danger comes from within. A disgruntled or even careless employee can expose or damage critical data, regardless of external security. High-level security tools, expert professionals, and maintenance are expensive. Many organizations skip proper security due to cost, prioritizing price over safety. These challenges illustrate why securing a network is extremely demanding and requires constant attention and investment to stay ahead of the curve.